everybody, my name is Juan Gutierrez with Up Above Adventures. We're going to be at the NRG Center all weekend long, starting today through Sunday. Come on out to the Houston Boat Show and Auto Show. We're going to be here on booth 105 and 106. A little bit about us, we do offshore and deep sea fishing charters in our 55-foot Viking. 3 staterooms, 2 bathrooms, full kitchen, and Wi-Fi capable offshore. 150 miles offshore, still conducting business, answering phone calls, doing whatever you need to do. Come on out and come see us. We've got great boat show specials.